Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make two color snake knot paracord bracelet with buckle. In here, I have prepared 1 cm buckle size and 2 paracord rope, black and orange color. And the two ropes are connected like this. Let's get started. First, put the end of the rope connection into the buckle like this. Then both ends of the rope are inserted into the whole connection rope like this. To magnet, set the rope connection so that it is close and invisible. Then tighten it. When it's tight, start making snake knot pattern. In the way, rotate the orange color rope down, then rotate it over the black color rope, pinning the orange rope. Then pull the orange rope and tighten it. Then make the same pattern again with the same way. Make it like that, continue until the length of bracelet as needed. Well, the length is in accordance with what is needed. Then try on the wrist. If the size is right, continue by inserting both ends rope into the other buckle. After entering, rotate to rope and insert it in the middle of the rope, like this. To make it look neat and the pattern is the same, rotate the black and orange color rope according to the pattern, like this. Then tighten and hold. Then cut the two ropes and connect here by hitting both ends. Well, it's finished, guys. 2 color snack knot paracord bracelet with buckle. Thanks for watching and hopefully the video is useful. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.